just enjoy the afternoon. The name of this song is called Piru Haka. And for those that love dancing, understand it's also a dance. So if you feel like you need to dance to this song, please just get up and do it.